Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Stanford, or Harvard, among other top companies and colleges, offer free courses online. Get yourself job ready. Hi to all of you. Greetings from Tech Boffins. Let's look at the top 25 free online courses from top universities and corporations that will prepare you for the workforce, freelance employment, or starting your own business. Let's look at some Google classes now. The company offers a ton of free courses, and I'll be listing the top 10 most significant ones so you can enhance your skills across a range of subjects. You'll learn a lot from this video, so be sure to watch it through to the finish. This generative AI learning path is the first course offered by Google. It includes 9 courses that you can take to understand everything there is to know about the workings of generative AI. With the help of these 9 free Google courses on generative AI, you may learn how to create your own apps as well as large language model applications. These courses cover how apps like ChatGPT and other generative AI apps like Midjourney and Bing work. As you can see from the screen, we begin with an overview of generative artificial intelligence. You gain knowledge about the specifics of generative AI as well as the inner workings of the models. Next is an introductory course on huge language models. You gain knowledge of responsible AI. The foundations of generative AI are also covered. Next, there's a responsible AI course. These 5 courses are part of the generative AI learning route that you may take to upskill yourself for free directly from Google. The goal is to apply AI principles to Google Cloud. This is a fantastic course to enroll in. For a list of all the courses I've discussed in this video, click the link in the description. Digital marketing principles and the fundamentals of digital marketing for beginners on Google are covered in course number 2. It will teach you all you need to know about setting up an online presence for a business, as you can see from the very beginning. How is a brand constructed? How is a digital storefront made? As you can see, getting a business online comes first, followed by learning how to make it simple for customers to find the business online. Then, how can the majority of people locally contact that specific business via mobile or social media? And after that, you also learn how to use advertising to reach a wider audience. Everything you need to become a social media marketer is covered in this Google course on the principles of digital marketing. You must look at this Google course if you want to work with brands in the field of online digital marketing. You can become a UX designer by enrolling in Google's 3rd course, which is a professional certificate program in UX design. There is a great need for qualified UX designers in this exciting industry. I would like you to take a look at this course, which is hosted on Coursera. This is the UX Design Professional Certificate course page. To obtain this for free, you must enroll in each of the courses that are offered here. To do this, navigate to the Courses section, select any of the courses, use Figma to create high-fidelity designs and prototypes, click Enroll for free, and then select Audit the course. That's all you need. Now that you have access to all of the course material and the quizzes on persona development, you can begin auditing. User journey maps and user stories prototypes and bioframe creation are covered. Additionally, you'll learn how to test every design you've created. And at the very end, you'll be able to compile a polished portfolio that will position you for success in the field of UX design. This is Google course number 4 for all of you who are interested in startups. Google has launched Startup School India, where you can learn everything there is to know about building a great product, including how to design it, what the tech strategy should be, how to market it, and, as you can see right here, how to ensure the product and business succeed. This is the perfect place to learn if you want to start your own startup from scratch, secure funding, and grow it into a massive enterprise. This course is incredibly valuable, offering a wealth of information from elite entrepreneurs creating unicorn firms. This is Google's 5th course, which introduces R&R Core. The use of augmented reality is growing, creating an enormous number of new opportunities and occupations. You may see why there aren't many talented people in this industry by taking a look at this course. As you can see, you can sign up for free by clicking this link. By selecting full course, you can keep learning about R&R Core without needing a certificate. What augmented reality is and how to create our apps will be covered. You will discover what augmented reality core is all about, starting with the fundamentals directly from Google's professionals. I gained extensive knowledge of R from the ground up. It's not at all difficult. This is an excellent course to learn about a very in-demand skill. You will learn about the fundamentals of R functionality, how to utilize an R code, how to take the next steps with an R code, and how to bring R code to life. At the end of the course, you can use R code to build your own R apps. Let's take a look at the 6th course, a product design course offered by Google on Udacity. Product designers are in high demand as a result of the rapid expansion of startups. This course is an excellent place to start if you want to master the fundamentals of the field. You will gain knowledge about ideas and validation if you descend this way. You gain knowledge of designs as well as UX and UI. Sprints, how do they all operate and what are their designs? Additionally, you'll discover which crucial indicators you ought to be monitoring. This is Google course number 7, which covers Python data structures and algorithms. As you can see on the screen, by clicking on this, you can learn everything there is to know about list-based collection. You also learn about the best data structures and algorithms that you can write using the Python programming language. You gain knowledge of case studies, graphs, hashing trees, algorithms, and finding and sorting maps. You will gain knowledge of technical interviewing techniques by taking this one Google course, which is offered on Udacity. After taking a look at it, you will have a solid understanding of the fundamentals of DSA. Of course, you may upskill and attend more advanced classes, but this is a fantastic place to start. The 8th course offered by Google, which focuses on using Kotlin to create Android apps. You will gain a basic understanding of how to use the Kotlin programming language to create your first Android application. You gain knowledge about fragment lifecycle, app navigation, and layouts. You gain knowledge of the recycler, UI layer, and app architecture, view, and everything else that is shown on the screen. And as you can see, the instructors are Google employees. This is how it works. We have an Android developer advocate at Google, followed by another advocate from Google. If you are interested in managing websites or entering the field of digital marketing, you should take the 9th course. One crucial component that you should grasp is Google Analytics, which you can learn everything about for free, for example, with this Google Analytics Academy. Google Analytics Overview for Beginners. I'll just click on this to acquire a general understanding of how things operate over here. If you wish to manage and expand the websites of your clients and work as a digital marketer, this is an excellent tool. Discover more about Google Analytics directly from the Analytics Academy. Let's now discuss the 10th and last Google course, which focuses on machine learning. This machine learning crash course is built on TensorFlow APIs, as you can see right here. I'll only click on Start the course, and you will learn all there is to know about creating a basic machine learning model, including how to reduce loss. How can a data collection be transformed into training, test, and validation data sets? This comprehensive TensorFlow-based Google course on machine learning also covers regularization, logistic regression, classification, neural networks, training neural networks, and multi-class neural networks. Go take another look at it. These are the top 10 Google classes that you may take to advance your abilities and learn new ones for free. And the link will be in the description. Let's now explore the Facebook courses that are free to take. It's true that Facebook offers a number of free courses you can attend to improve your skills. This front-end development course is the first offered by Meta or Facebook. Since it's a professional credential, you must attend each course individually and then complete an audit. For instance, I'll navigate to version control and click Enroll for free. You may get the entire course for free by clicking Audit this course directly here. However, this course will teach you the fundamentals of designing stunning front ends for the websites you work on. All things related to HTML and CSS will be covered. You gain knowledge of GitHub and Git. Version control, you become familiar with React and its more complex ideas. Also, you will study several UI and UX principles. All of this is contained in a single front-end developer professional certificate from Facebook. Comparably, Meta itself offers a different course on backend programming that you may enroll in. Take a look at here. It contains several courses that will help you brush up on version control and teach you how to use the Python programming language to create the server's backend and connect it to a database using the Django web framework. Additionally, you'll learn how to construct your own APIs and combine the front-end and back-end to produce a full-stack application that can connect with both the front-end and the back-end. When we discuss Facebook, how can we forget about social media? Therefore, Meta has also introduced a social media marketing certificate, in which you will learn about managing a brand's social media account, creating various ads for a specific campaign, running ads on the Facebook platform, and optimizing various campaigns based on the target audience and product being sold in the specific medium. For example, pictures, videos, or reels. With the aid of this course from Meta itself, you may accomplish all of this. You will receive assistance from Meta employees with experience in social media management regarding the appropriate practices to follow. Like we discussed in the Google R Core course, the following course from Meta focuses on R development. This one will teach you about MetaSpark, which is their proprietary R application development platform. Additionally, you'll discover how to use JavaScript for augmented reality. Additionally, Unity and C basics will be covered. You will gain knowledge about using Unity to create augmented reality apps. Additionally, you will discover how to create various AI apps on Unity using the well-known Euphoria SDGK. If you're interested in AR, this course is excellent. This Android development course is the final one offered by Meta. You will discover all there is to know about using Kotlin to create various Android applications, as you can see here. Additionally, Android Studio, user interfaces, and UI/UX design will be covered. In Kotlin, you'll also study advanced programming ideas. Additionally, you will learn about React Native and how to interact with data. If you are interested in becoming an Android developer, take a look at this. At the very end, you will also have a capstone project where you construct an Android app from scratch. Please click the like button and share this video with your friends if you've liked it thus far. Furthermore, let's explore Y Combinator, the largest startup accelerator available. You may register at their incredible startup school, Y Combinator Startup School, and gain knowledge from individuals who have founded multi-billion-dollar firms. They share the principles they have learned about developing successful business. Adit Palicha and Kay Vora, who were 19 at the time and established the billion-dollar company Zepto, followed precisely this path. You may take it right now for free as well, and you can learn everything there is to know from India itself about creating a successful business. This is the curriculum that you will follow in order to learn how to develop your MVP. In addition to some other fascinating videos that you can view right now, you learn about startup funding, how to establish a business, how to gain users, how to expand, how to manage a team, and how to apply to Y Combinator. This is an excellent course to enroll in if you're interested in becoming an entrepreneur. Now, let's discuss the university courses. Of all the courses offered by Howard, the one that stands out the most is the CS50 course, which is an introductory course in computer science. You may learn everything there is to know about computer science in this fantastic course, including how to design websites, interact with various components, and create your own applications. All of this information comes from David J. Mellon, one of the most interesting person. He's a very intriguing professor who has been teaching this course for the past 10 or so years, and he presents his most insightful ideas in the most straightforward way possible. You should look at CS50 if you have ever been terrified of programming or coding in general. Other courses are also offered, such as CS50 Understanding Technology. You can look at another one they offer on Python and JavaScript programming, where you can learn everything there is to know about CS50 in that specific sector. Harvard, you can visit the edX website by just clicking on Learn More. You may simply click Enroll here, and it will cost you nothing at all. Additionally, you can discover plenty of information about technology, artificial intelligence, game development, and other subjects by visiting their YouTube channel, CS50. Let's now explore Stanford. Again, Stanford offers an enormous variety of courses, but if machine learning interests you, I believe you should all look at these three. As you can see, Stanford's YouTube channel features an incredible machine learning course taught by Andrew Ng. It starts from the very beginning and covers the fundamentals of comprehending how ML models actually function. How can one create their own machine learning models? And it's the most well-known course available for learning about machine learning. As you can see, 2.5 million individuals have viewed its more than 20 distinct videos. Taking this course is simply fun and highly interesting. Andrew is a fantastic instructor. He demonstrates the best aspects of machine learning with a variety of examples. Stanford also offers a course in deep learning and natural language processing called CS224N. With the support of this excellent Stanford NLP with Deep Learning course, you may learn about various RNNs, transformers, and the beginnings of big language models. This course, CS231N, is going to be another excellent resource for learning about CNN's convolutional neural networks and computer vision. It starts from the very beginning and covers neural networks for image categorization and optimization. NBC, the process of training a neural network, will be covered. Along with many other topics, you will also learn about CNN architecture and deep learning. Let's now look at SEMrush, which offers a fantastic social media marketing certificate that will teach you everything you need to know. Although SEMrush is a massive corporation with a vast array of goods, SEMrush Academy offers a vast array of free courses directly from SEMrush. You will gain knowledge of the foundations of social media marketing and the inner workings of social media algorithms. You'll get knowledge of computer analysis and audiences, along with learning about various topics like influencer marketing and gauging a brand's level of engagement on social media. You will also learn how to create your own organic social media plan for a specific brand. Excellent to enroll in if you're interested in working as a digital marketer. This HubSpot course, which offers a digital marketing certificate program that you can take for free and learn about, is another excellent option for learning about digital marketing. In this straightforward 5-hour training, you will gain comprehensive knowledge about content administration, email promotion, lead generation with SEO, content marketing, and incoming advertising. Essentially, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of all aspects related to digital marketing. After this, you are free to select the topic that stimulates your curiosity the most. As you can see, the principles will be covered. You'll discover how to construct a foundation for content creation. Additionally, SEO will be covered, along with a host of other topics that are listed right here. You will learn about website performance. Let's now discuss ChatGPT and whether you want to learn more. AI offers fantastic training in deep learning. Again, you will study the fundamentals of ChatGPT prompt engineering for developers, which is a corporation managed by Andrew Ng. How can the ChatGPT be prompted? Under the H, you will discover the inner workings of these massive language models as well. You will therefore learn about summarizing if you continue on. If you continue along this path, you will gain knowledge about expanding, transforming, and inferring from text. This course was created in collaboration with OpenAI. As a result, it will be the most precise course you can take, adhering to the best practices that you should. Speaking of AI, there's a fantastic Microsoft course about the AI route that can be found on LinkedIn. Thus, as you can see from Microsoft and LinkedIn's Career Essentials in Generative AI, essentially, you will learn how to integrate ChatGPT and other generative AI tools into your workflow to expedite professional tasks. What generative AI is will tell you everything you need to know about conversational GPT and how to use it in your own work. You discover how thoughtful web search has evolved through generative AI. Along with learning about other topics like AI ethics, you also learn how to streamline your job with Microsoft Bing Chat. That is an amazing course you can take from Microsoft itself about generative AI and how you can optimize your workflow. I'd like to offer you an additional course. This is a course in the course era called The Science of Well-Being, and I believe that everyone should take it regardless of the sector they're going into, whether they're going to work for a company, freelance, or both. This course is incredible because it reveals the true nature of your mind, what constitutes true happiness, what will genuinely fulfill you, how much money you need, and all other relevant information. Now let's look at the course modules as we scroll down to discover more about prevalent misconceptions regarding happiness. You will gain knowledge on how to appropriately set expectations for all aspects of life. Additionally, you will discover how to get over any biases you may have on a daily basis while living your life. In addition, you'll discover what truly brings us joy and how to apply all of the techniques you've learned to your daily existence. An excellent seminar that Laurie Santos presented at Yale University. You're going to learn a lot. I completed this course around 2 years ago, and the knowledge I was able to learn in such a brief amount of time impressed me greatly. I truly thank you for watching this video. These were the best 25 free courses available, and you may use these high-paying talents to advance your career and make millions of dollars. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in the upcoming video.